Hi friends!
Hi guys!
Today we'll show you one of our favorite summer recipes, colorful and flavorful Mediterranean pasta salad. It's quick to make, baked with fresh ingredients and perfect for light lunches and outdoors picnic. Let me show you the simple ingredients we'll be using. Mini creamy mozzarella pearls, sweet and juicy cherry tomatoes, slightly salty black olives, high quality and packed in olive oil tuna fillet. Of course, our base, farfalle pasta, but you can use any short pasta like fusilli or penne. Fresh basil for that aromatic. And finally, the generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Let's start by cooking the pasta. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, then add the farfalle and cook it until al dente, about 10 to 11 minutes. Alright, the pasta is ready. Let's drain it and rinse in under cold water to stop the cooking and cool it down. Now, pour the pasta into a large bowl. Add mozzarella pearls, followed our tuna in olive oil. Now cut the cherry tomatoes. I'm slicing them in half to keep their sweet, juicy flavor in every bit. And add in the bowl. Next, the black olives. I like to keep them whole or just slice them once if they are large. Don't forget the fresh basil. Tear it by hand to release all that amazing aroma. Drizzle in some good extra virgin olive oil. Be generous. And last ingredient, black pepper. Then gently toss everything together until it's beautiful combined. And there it is, a fresh, colorful pasta salad, full of Mediterranean flavor, perfect for a summer lunch or dinner. Buon appetito!